I'm finally able to just spin that wheel freely. She's just missing the grindstone, so she's perfectly even all the way around. Now I can weld my outer ring onto it. Once I get that welded on, then it's onto the drive wheel. This is how I'm making the rings for the outer half of my wheels. Get my exact curl. I turn on the handle, push my metal back and forth through the rollers. And obviously you tighten the vise in order to get a tighter and tighter curl. Pretty much there though. Get to it. Alright, now this is my vision for the outer wheel to go onto my rim. I put a band on there, I'll tighten it down, I'll center it and make a little jig so it lines up perfectly center as it spins around. And then I'll tack weld it in place and make sure she's perfectly even. There's my idler wheel, all tacked together. Pretty much ready to go. The outer wheel meets, I'm gonna have to put a little tiny piece in there to fill it in. Right here. Fill in that little tiny piece. Put my rubber on it. Clean it up, paint it. Should be good to go. Alright. There's my drive wheel. There's my idler. Ready to mount them on the saw. That's the hard part. Alright, I got her spinning with an electric motor at the moment. She's a little bit off balance. I have to find the heavy spot and drill out a couple holes. Balance her out a little bit.